You are watching T to the M to the I D D.
So we got a tennis scene coming up.
Yup. Yeah,
You ready?
I'm ready.
Ready?
Ready as I can be in this weather.
Yeah, it is extremely bright outside, so it's gonna be interesting. It's gonna be
my
interesting.
diffuser.
Oh, you gonna get that?
I might get my diffuser. Helps a bit with the light.
Yeah, you're gonna get the diffuser. I'm going to use hard light outside, and he's gonna use natural light, but he's gonna diffuse it a bit.
Yeah, I
Okay.
might diffuse it. Because it is super harsh right
It's super harsh right now. Yeah. So we about to vibe out and see what we get.
Yeah, put the vibe.
Fit. Okay. Fit. Your trousers?
Top is from, I don't know.
Okay.
Panties are from, actually, Amazon.
Okay.
Shorts are from vintage top shop, actually, that I got.
Okay.
And the trainers are Jordans. Sponsor me.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. Give us a fit check.
Oh my god, I don't know. Pretty Little Thing, potentially.
Okay.
Sheen.
Okay.
Check it out for cheap shit.
Okay.
We got the Calvins, we got the Gluty Wear. They
Okay.
do sponsor me.
Okay. What about the trousers?
What
Are
trousers?
those trousers?
Trousers are self-made.
Can you someone take my phone?
I got you.
This is dangerous.
You need a shoulder to lean on?
New generation, we're filming our criminal activities.
You need a shoulder to lean on?
On my shoulder.
Oh, wait.
Oh. Yeah.
Really, you could just jump.
I'll hold it.
Yeah.
My knees aren't as young as they used to be.
Oh. You got it. You got it.
You're tall, it's easier for you.
I'm walking away. I'm not wasting no more time tonight.
I need a shadow.
To know we do this right. No more drama, can we keep it light? Don't wanna fight, I don't wanna fight, no. When the sun goes down tonight, the feet. When the sun goes down tonight, when the sunset shines tonight, I'm on your side. I'm on your side. When the sun goes down tonight, the feet. When the sun goes down tonight, when the sunset shines tonight, I'm on your side. There's something in the air tonight. I'm loving when you treat me right. There's something in the air tonight. I don't wanna fight, no. I'm walking away. Baby, let me know if that's okay. If that's an issue, then it's time to say I'm not playing no more games today. I don't wanna fight, no. When the sun goes down tonight, when the sun goes down tonight, when the sunset shines tonight, I'm on your side. I'm on your side. When the sun goes down tonight, when the sun goes down tonight, when the sunset shines tonight.
You see the real posted earlier. No. Yeah. Madness. Yeah. Nearly
I love it when you treat me right. It's us against the world tonight. When the sunset shines tonight, no one decides, just me and you. Let's catch a flight. Oh, there's no one else. Let's go. There's something in the air tonight. I love it when you treat me right. 'Cause there's something in the air tonight. Don't wanna fight, no. When the sun goes down tonight, the feeling's right. There's something in the air tonight. I'm on your side. I love it when you treat me right tonight. The feeling's right. There's something in the air tonight.
Why that angle from that one?
Put that. Yeah, just like you're gonna get perfect.
My hair up too.
Oh yeah. I want you to kind of like.
Yeah, I'm gonna stop with you and like 2 minutes. I'm gonna swap around.
Alright, and now. What is going on, guys? You just tuned in to T to the M to the IDD. And if you enjoy this content, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And if you really enjoy the content, check out some more of the video that you see right here. Oh yeah, and hit that like button for me.